Was and were. Learning to talk about the past using was, were, wasn't, and weren't. Let's begin. What are was and were? We use was and were instead of is and are to talk about the past. They are the past tense forms of the verb to be. Use was with singular nouns and pronouns. I, he, she, it. Use were with plural nouns and pronouns. We, you, they. Example 1. Was there a hospital here in the past? We are asking about something in the past. Hospital is a singular noun, so we use was. Answer. No, there was not. Remember, use was for singular nouns. Example 2. Were there any mobile phones 100 years ago? Mobile phones is a plural noun. When we talk about more than one thing in the past, we use were. Answer? No, there were not. Remember, use were for plural nouns. Example 3. Wasn't means was not. We can shorten was not to wasn't. This is called a contraction. Both forms mean the same thing. For example, 100 years ago, there wasn't a large church here. Example 4. Weren't means were not. We can shorten were not to weren't. We use weren't for plural nouns in the past. For example, there weren't any soft drinks 300 years ago. Your turn. Now it's time to practice. Fill in the blanks with was, were, wasn't, or weren't. Remember, singular nouns use was or wasn't. Plural nouns use were or weren't. Question 1. There many cows on this field 30 years ago. Cows is a plural noun, so we use were. The answer is, there were many cows on this field 30 years ago. Question 2. There blank any electricity 200 years ago. Electricity is a singular, uncountable noun. We need the singular negative form. The answer is, there wasn't any electricity 200 years ago. Or, there was not any electricity 200 years ago. Question 3. There any fruit in the basket yesterday? Fruit is singular and uncountable. We use the singular past negative form. The answer is, there wasn't any fruit in the basket yesterday. Question 4. Blank there any rides in the park in the past? Rides is plural. We are asking a question. The correct question is, were there any rides in the park in the past? Answer. Yes, there were. Question 5. Blank a baby giraffe in the zoo last year? A baby giraffe is singular. The correct question is, was there a baby giraffe in the zoo last year? Answer. No, there wasn't. Or, no, there was not. Question 6. Clue word, a cake. On the table last night? A cake is singular. The correct question is, was there a cake on the table last night? Answer. Yes, there was. Question 7. Clue word, tomatoes. Blank in the fridge this morning? Tomatoes is plural. The correct question is, were there any tomatoes in the fridge this morning? Answer. No, there weren't. Or, no, there were not. Great work! You have finished the lesson. Now you know how to use was and wasn't for singular nouns, were and weren't for plural nouns. Remember, wasn't means was not. Weren't means were not. Keep practicing and you will get better every day.